Chris Hall here with Raised Landscaping. Today's date is 19 March. It's Thursday. We're currently on the aeration plugging job right now. I got my guy working on this yard, and we're doing the yard right here beside it too. And then we have two more. After we finish all of the plugging, then we'll start doing some mowing. So it'll be a pretty smooth day. But the point of this video, guys, is now is the time. From March till April. Through May. March, April, May. You guys need to be going balls to the wall. You need to be going harder than you ever went before. When it comes to the marketing, when it comes to getting new clients, everything. And I'm gonna tell you why. The reason being, because it's gonna slow down. When it starts getting hot and summer really hit, the calls are not gonna come in as they are right now. Because if they ain't got nobody by June and July, why are you dealing with them anyway? You know what I mean? It's obvious that they don't care about no routine schedule. They're not consistent. So it's when they call you that late in the season, it's only a couple things that could happen. One, they could just move to the house, or they're not satisfied with their current lawn provider. Somebody could have got sick, that sort of thing. But usually it's not. You're not gonna get the calls in the summer that you're gonna get right now. That's what I'm trying to say. Now is the time to really take advantage of this spring rush. All of the calls that you get, you need to be trying to lock them in, guys. I'm telling you, you need to lock them in. If it's for mowing, if it's for projects, whatever the case may be, get them on your schedule and hold on to those leads. I'm really putting the money into marketing right now, so I don't have to do it when the summer months come, because the pool is real big right now. As the season progresses, as spring rush comes to an end and we start rolling into the summer, that pool is gonna shrink. While the pool is big, you need to get a hold of everybody that you can right now. You need to capitalize on it, and that's what I'm really trying to do. This season right here, I've spent the most money on marketing that I've ever spent. I'm throwing it all out there. Roll some of the clips. Here lately, we've been doing a lot of project-based work, property cleanups, mulch installs, pine needle installs, aeration, that sort of thing. But at the end of March is when we're gonna start mowing full time. So that's why I have to really dial in on the schedule. And we just picked up another commercial property too, guys. I'm excited about it. It's a small little auto shop. Got it locked in. The video is coming soon on that. I'll do a walkthrough when we cut it for the first time, and you'll see it. And I have some more commercial properties currently bidding right now, and I'm just waiting to hear back. And if I don't hear back from them, I'll follow up with them. And I feel like, guys, you should have like a 3 to 5 day minimum on your follow-ups. You need to check in with your people and see what's going on, because like I said before, sometimes you might send an email for a bid and they don't even receive the email. The email go to a spam or junk folder, and they never receive your estimate. So this is something that I always do. Every time I send an estimate via email, I always text them right then, hey, the email has been sent, the bid form has been sent, so they know. Because like I said, you don't want it to just be sitting out there and never get answered, or they don't say nothing. Because sometimes they won't say nothing. So that's why I let them know, like, hey, this email has been sent. We look forward to working with you. If you got any questions or concerns, give me a shot. We're cutting away from the project-based work and switching more towards the mowing when it comes to marketing and advertising. All of my project-based work started in February, and now we're starting to roll into the grass. Reason being, because as you see, it's growing now. prior to it wasn't growing, they're not thinking about getting their grass cut. I had some trickle in slowly, but the grass is the least thing that's on people's mind because it's not growing. But now it's growing, so it's hot, if that makes sense. So that's why I'm really pushing it right now. I'm really pushing it. I'm telling you guys, if you dial in on that marketing and whatever marketing choice that you choose, if you have results and it's actually working, just do more of that. Do more of that and just stick to it. I'm telling you, consistency is key. I can't really stress that enough, guys. My marketing campaigns that I've been running here lately, I've been getting real good results. And the reason being, because I do a whole lot of it. I spoke to a guy last week that we was able to lock in. And he said, man, I seen your signs everywhere. Damn right you seen my signs everywhere. If you don't see it, if you see it on this corner, you're gonna drive a block down the road and you're gonna see that exact same sign again. Or you might see another sign that's just worded different, you know what I mean? But it's still coming back to me. It's still coming back to me. So either way, I'm gonna get that call. And he said that's the reason why he called me, because he kept seeing it. And it's proven, guys. It's proven. You know, they see it enough. They're like, dang, let me give him a call and let me see what this lawn care service is really about. And got them locked in for weekly, $65 a week on mowing. It already paid for itself as is. So I hope everybody is having an outstanding season so far, guys. I want everybody to make money. Number one, be safe. Definitely be safe when you're out here. Always stay on your P's and Q's, and let's make some money, guys. And take note of what's going on in the world. You see that gas prices are going up, so just make sure that you adjust subject to that. But let's have a good season, man. Let's have a good season. Any clients that you receive calls from that you feel like it's not a good fit for your business, don't take it on. Tell them like, hey, I'm sorry, but you just don't fit into what we have going on, what we're building, and that's okay. It should be like that. I like to ask questions because I need to see if that client is a good fit for my business, not the other way around. So just keep that in mind. I hope everybody, like I said, have a good season, man. Y'all boys be safe, and also stay busy, man, and stay prayed up. Yes, sir. I'm ready.